Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to hopefully resolve if Snapchat notifications are not working on your Android smartphone. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is swipe up on your home screen and you want to select the settings gear button, select the apps tile, and then select where it says see all apps. Scroll down to locate the Snapchat app and select it from the list. And then where it says notifications, go ahead and select that. And where it says all Snapchat notifications, click inside that oval to turn to the right to turn them on. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.